speaking, oh my God, begin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my wig, put on my wig, all that. So today's video is in collaboration with Hurela Hair. If you guys remember this box, this is the same company from my trendy wispy edges video. So I decided to do like a shorter length because I noticed that I never do short lengths or even bob. So I will have all the links down below if you guys are interested in getting this shorter length. It's super beautiful and it's full. Even though it's short, it's like the right density. So I will have the density and everything down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, let's get right into this video. I really don't have much to say, so you guys can just watch me. I am going to be talking to you guys a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, well, actually one of my subscribers asked me if I can do a video showing all the stuff that you need to do your hair, and I feel like that was a very smart idea, just because if this is like not even your first time, just if you want to know all the products that I use in bulk, I will link all of them down below so you will be able to find them easily. I'm gonna start from the beginning of the first thing that you need. So today's wig, I'm gonna use this wig is Hurela Hair, and bear in mind I already plucked this wig, so I will link the video in the eye above over here so you guys can check out the video on how I pluck. The first thing you're gonna need is your 3D face creator. I have a whole bunch of colors right here. I will link it down below so you guys can find them easily. I'm also gonna link the alternative, just because I know this is probably not on Amazon, but guys, there's a lot of birds outside, but yeah, so I'm gonna link these down below. So the first thing you're gonna need is this, and you want to take a brush and put this in your lace, both at the bottom of the lace and the top of the lace. So the color that I like to use is the color number 14. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that in my lace now. Okay, after you do that, you want to go ahead and take your scissors. These are just some random scissors. I'm gonna have each and everything linked down below from step 1 to the final step so you guys can know what you need. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to, now that I put the color in the lace and on top of the lace, I'm going to just cut off the lace, leaving a little bit around the hairline part so we can customize that area. And then when you're cutting it, leave like this much lace, like a little bit of lace right there. Now, the next thing that you're going to need is your hot comb. So this is like sitting on top. So the next thing you're going to need is your hot comb. And this is going to lay the wig down nice and flat. And I'm gonna do a middle part, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not even gonna do that yet. I'm just going to, and while the hot comb is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and start sticking the wig down. What you can do is use a hair clip to clip the hair back. And I really like using the Erickaj hairspray. If you watch my channel, you know this. So just use whatever glue or hairspray you like to use and stick your wig down like normal. I'm gonna fast forward this part because we see this every single time. I'm gonna use this eyebrow razor to razor out that extra lace. Actually, I'm gonna leave the extra lace and use the extra lace to help me hold down the spray. So I'm going to flip this back and I'm just going to spray along my hairline at the top because I'm going to do it in 3 sections. As you can see, this section is really close to my eyebrows, so I'm gonna just trim it around right here. So baby, what you tryna say? Then just give it a little bit of touch-ups and you're good to go. Okay guys, so hi. If you did not check out my makeup video, I will link it in the eye above or in the description box. Probably gonna add, I maybe added me installing this wig, or maybe not. All I'm gonna do is just do my curly edges like normal, and this is a shorter wig, so I'm probably gonna give it a little trim to make it look even cuter, and I want to do some curls in it so it can give it like a effortless look. This is Hurela hair, so you guys already know Hurela hair really does good with the lace being nice and seamless. This is the same company that I did my trendy edges video with, but today I'm gonna do fluffy edges. It's different than wispy edges. Wispy edges is when you do it the other way to make it look wispy. Fluffy edges is when you just, it looks fluffy, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just like touch up right here, because while I was putting my makeup on, the wig kind of lifted up because it's hot. So I'm gonna I just spray it on here, one little spray, and then I go ahead and just put it on the front. I just dab it onto the front, and then I'm going to blow it on cool air, also using my comb to help it stick down. With you, you'd sleep here, I'd sleep there. And now that it's nice and stuck, I'm just going to take out some of the edges that I want to work with. I already wore this wig yesterday, so I already cut little pieces of hairs in the front. Okay, so I'm going to just curl this, and I'm going to link my curling iron down below, just because this curling iron is really good and I like it. So, and then all I do, this setting, the curling iron is on 380 degrees, so I'm going to just take little sections. Try not to take too big of a section because it's going to be hard to curl if it's too big. And then I'm going to just curl it underneath just like that, and just curl a bunch of little pieces in the front, and then we're going to go in and make it and style it the way that we want it to be. Wanna say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight, baby, say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight, say goodnight and go. Okay, and the key to getting it perfect is, okay, let me show you right here. So what you do, you put it on there, and then you kind of turn it, twist it, so it gives like a curl like so. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try again. Right here. Pay attention. So I twist it, and then I just do like so. So it gives it like a curl.
There's a word for what that is.
Actually, there is a word for that. It's love. I'm in love with her, okay?
So I have a bunch of curly edges at the front of my head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and style them. So this is how it's looking. So now I'm gonna take the edges brush, and you can lightly spray it if you want, or you can just leave it fluffy. So I'm going to spray this with this, and I'm going to just swoop this.
And find someone else. That wouldn't be love. That would be some other disposable thing that is not worth fighting for.
I'm just playing around with it. I'm gonna leave the video for it to play so you guys can just watch me play around with it until I get it to how I want it to look.
Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily.
I think this is good enough for me. It's like really like a natural soft edges look. Too pressed, you know? It's giving natural vibes anyways, so yeah. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just give it some curls. I want to trim it a little bit, but just like right at the end, like where it's that long piece, this long piece right here. I'm just gonna trim it out like this. So I'm gonna put on the dress. This is so pretty. I'm gonna link it down below. I believe she's having a restock because she did say that it was sold out, but I believe she's having a restock, so I'm gonna link it down below. This is a great summer dress. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on.
If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said it, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.
Okay guys, this is how the hair turned out. This is it from the back. I am 5'2.5", 5'3". So it stops on me like right here. I did trim it a little bit, so just bear in mind of that. But yeah, this is so pretty. It's so light. It's not stiff whatsoever. So yeah, don't forget to check out Hurela hair. This just came with the a wig cap. So make sure you check them out, and I will have the links down below so you guys can do so. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and comment so I can know that you like this. And just keep supporting me, please. And I'm gonna have a raffle coming soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can stay updated with that. I haven't been posting, but when I have stuff going on for you guys to know information, that is where you're gonna find any information to do with anything given away or anything like that. You're gonna find the information on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
You close your eyes, I am screaming. Play with your mind for no reason. I know you love how I tease it. You know that I'm playing, so don't be mistaken. You already know what I'm thinking, boy. Why'd I have to be so cute? It's impossible to